I already have this one. This one, and the day off. I already have the bold, the sophisticated, the cold-hearted. This one I want is probably the petulant. I want sleepless again and preachy. I am really hoping for Bloody Rose because I love this one. I think I want all of them except for Skeleton. I know we're like sorry, but
The yellow one is ugly.
these two. I want the valley, the scene, the snow, I think, oh, and maybe bamboo, but mainly these two. We already got wood carving and want parasite, costume, Paradise Lost, and I think I said healing last time, and fighting.